Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make honey and mustard sauce. First, gather your ingredients: honey, Dijon mustard, and apple cider vinegar. You'll also need a small mixing bowl and a whisk. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick condiment and makes approximately 1/2 cup of sauce, ready in just minutes. It's a versatile addition to many meals. To begin, measure out 1/4 cup of honey and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard into your bowl. Whisk these two ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This adds a lovely tang that balances the sweetness. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Now it's time to season your sauce. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can add a 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with an equal amount of water, creating a slurry. Whisk it in well. Finally, taste your sauce and adjust the sweetness or tanginess to your liking. Your delicious homemade honey mustard sauce is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with chicken tenders, pretzels, or as a dressing for salads. For storage, simply transfer any leftover sauce into an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 1 week. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.